Have you been brainwashed? Well, I think we should all take the test and find out and test ourselves here. You up for it? Let's do it. And this is where the action begins. I'm at the mouth of the Severn River in the Bristol Channel. The official mouth is that bridge there in front of us. I'm going to play this short clip and I'm going to highlight several points of reference, the mouth of the river being one of them. I'm stopping the camera here and just pointing to the direction of the source of the Severn River, which is approximately 77 miles in the direction I'm pointing. 77 miles as the crow flies, okay? And here is where the test begins. Because if the Earth was a ball, then this is what we have to believe. With the source of the river being 77 miles away from the mouth of the river, according to the globe Earth mathematics, there should be a difference of 3,953 feet difference between the 2 points of reference. That means sea level at the source of the river is 3,953 out from my horizontal at the mouth of the river, according to the globe Earth maths and curve. What that means is when you take into account the elevation height of the source of the river, which is 2,000 feet, you take into account the globe Earth mathematics, how much curve there is between the 2 points of reference, the source and the mouth of the river. And then you take into account that the viewer, myself here, if the Earth is a ball, we're told wherever we stand upon that ball, we're on the top of it. And wherever we look, the Earth is descending downwards away from us. Curvature, apparently, okay? So when I'm stood at the mouth of the river, I take into account the elevation height of the source, which is 2,000 feet. And then I take into account the globe Earth mathematics, which is 3,953 feet. If I'm to believe the Earth is a ball, I've got to believe the source of the river is 1,953 feet below sea level, my horizontal, at the mouth of the river. Essentially having to run, the source of the river has to run uphill. It has to run uphill the height of 2 London shards. Let me show you the height of the London Shard if you're not familiar. 2 secs. So this is the London Shard, which is just over 1,000 feet in height. So it's essentially going to be 2 of these, one on top of the other. That's how much I've got to believe the source of the river is below my horizontal when I'm stood at the mouth of the river if the Earth is a ball. So I'm going to ask you, are you brainwashed? Do you believe such silly things? Or do you believe the way reality presents itself to us in its physical form? You know, substance-based demonstrations we can all test and verify for ourselves. Because the stuff we can verify for ourselves using real-world natural physics tells us the truth of this realm, this place we find ourselves. And it ain't a ball. That's physically impossible and quite frankly ridiculous. But again, are some going to stand by what I've shown you here? Because literally, if you believe the Earth is a ball, and you've just gone through this presentation, this little video, you've got to entertain insane things, guys. Have a good one, everyone.